Welcome to Nano Edge. Today we will show you Kenotek ShowRoom Shine, one of the greatest tools for professional detailers and hobbyists alike. ShowRoom Shine is the best polishing spray for quick and easy removal of fingerprints and dust. It is suitable for all types of surfaces. ShowRoom Shine dries quickly and revitalizes the paintwork without the use of water. It creates a deep gloss and comes with a sweet peach perfume. With just a few sprays, either on a microfiber towel or directly on the surface, you will see the results of ShowRoom Shine's nanotechnology infused formula. ShowRoom Shine adds a layer of protection and water beading. It enhances the wax finish of your vehicle. It can be applied as often as you like because it won't cause any buildup and helps prevent new fingerprints and dust formation with its anti-static technology.